Well, good day. It is really, really hot out, and that's probably true if you're watching this video last week or next week. It is hot. So we want to talk about some things that maybe you should consider keeping in your car. During the winter, we talk about a cold weather video, but let's talk about this summer. One thing that seems to be unrelated to heat, you'd be like, oh, a jump start. They only do that in the winter. Well, actually, batteries suffer higher fail rates in the heat than they do in the cold. So if you manage to make it through the winter without jump starting your battery or having it replaced, this summer might be that thing to consider. So one of the things we're telling everybody to keep in their cars now are portable boost packs. These small packs, and can get even smaller ones, keep them in the vehicle. They'll have your cell phone charging capabilities. They have warning lights on them that you can set up on the highway as a flasher, and you can jump start your car or a friend's car. So summertime jump starts are actually more common than winter jump starts. Get a portable battery pack like this. Keep it in your car this summer along with your cell phone and a cord. It's always a great way to back up a dead phone when your battery dies, and I don't want you sitting on the side of the road. So be ready for this summer. It's hot out there. Be safe. Carry a jump pack, extra phone cords. It's a great way to charge your cell phone. Thank you.